Hi, I'm Shauna Madsen. Welcome to Encore CEO Self-Employment Training. There's two reasons why people usually start a business. One is because they have a passion for doing something very specific, but the other is because it's out of necessity. And it's out of necessity why I started my first business in 1989. I had two young children at home and I could not find a job that would support the three of us. So I had an idea. And I took my idea and I went through the business planning process. I secured a bank loan and I bought my very first computer for $15,000. From that point forward, I've been working with businesses from every size, from startup to large corporations, and I help them with their planning, their marketing, and their branding. And from 30 years of experience, I bring it to the Encore platform so that I can help teach startup businesses to do the very same thing that I did. This whole process teaches you how to find ideal clients. It teaches you how to price your products and your services so you actually make money. It helps you to forecast the sales. We explore creative ideas in the marketing, and you'll learn why a slow economy, or when things aren't going so well out there, why this is actually a good time for many businesses to start. It's so much, the whole process is so much more than coming out of it with a plan. And it's the process itself that will give you the intangible and the tangible tools to start your business. You can complete the program, the 12 modules, in as little as 2 weeks, but it's self-paced, so you can take your time. At the end of the 12 modules, we give you 3 months of coaching support as you're launching your venture. So let's get started on your business idea. You never know how far you can go until you take that first step. So I really look forward to seeing you inside.